Morning. Hi everyone. I cook some Sunday dinner outside. Alright. And we're going to use our coal stove to cook some Sunday dinner. Alright. Because of the breeze is blowing out the coal stove. So I put a piece of plywood to see if I can pack out some of the breeze. I don't know if it's going to work, but let me see now. So I'm down in my backyard. Alright? And I'm going to cook this morning. So let me see if the breeze will blow up the coal stove or not. Alright? First thing, wait up, sweet already. I'm going to catch a fire, coal fire. So what I'm going to do is use napkin and cooking oil. Just a little cooking oil and some napkin. Alright. Where are you watching from? It's Phoenix here. Hi, what are you cooking today? I am going to cook stew peas. What kind of stew peas? Saltfish stew peas. Ever had that one before? Ever eat saltfish stew peas? It's stew peas, but we're going to put saltfish in it. Alright, that's what we're cooking today. Alright, now we're going to catch the fire. Where's my coal? Oh. And the backyard full of ants in the man. Ants are biting up. Backyard full of ants, trust me. Ants are biting up in here. I will carry some ants powder. So I've got my coal, and I say the breeze I blow out the whole of the coal star. Nothing. Probably can catch them. And a fair breeze. Probably it wasn't a good day to cook outside. Fair breeze I blow still. Not a good day for out there cooking, alright? Not a good day. Breeze. Here breeze people are blow out the coal stove. Alright? So let me see if it'll catch. Now that the fire is catching, we are going to wash out. Alright, look in this. There's a pebble in there. If you don't care for what you do, you bite stone and broke out your false teeth. See there? You can't see the pebble. You have to pick out that piece and make sure say everything good. Alright? So we're going to pick out that piece here because this piece look like it have pebbles in there. And we don't want, I don't have any false teeth, but I don't want to break out my teeth them. Alright, make sure you pick out the peas, alright? And we're not going to pressure it too soft. 10-15 minutes and you can check it. Searching for stone. Searching for stone, people. Come on, Sasha. Come on, Sasha. Alright. Wash it again. So this peas was not pre-soaked. Wasn't pre-soaked. So you're gonna let it boil first. Let it boil up, you sink it. When you sink it, then you can, let's see our fire. So we're sketching. Sketching. Alright. Come on, it's a catch. We just don't want the breeze blowing it out, right? Alright, so we're waiting on the fire. Alright. We hear the breeze still a blow with cold stove. Like it now we get no dinner today, but food off in yam today, you know. So all of the breeze we are blow. We are outside and we're cooking. Yes, people. We're gonna make that boil up and sink him. Alright? We're gonna sink him. Windy. Woo! Still a blow, man. We're going to get some water to sink our peas right here at the post. Now, come on, look. Our coal is blowing out, you know. It look like we are getting no dinner today. Sink the peas. It was not pre-soaked, so you have to sink it. Alright, throw water in there and sink the peas. Now you're ready to close your pressure. Alright? But the whole of my coal are blowing, people. We're going to pressure that for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright? Don't want our peas to be too soft. But we have some problem with the breeze, you know. If you fight the breeze. But it's still going on. Still going on. Alright? Alright, so we are going to pick up our saltfish, scrape it, wash it off, and throw it in there. Get some coconut milk, some spinners. Get some spinners and some coconut milk. We're going to put it in there. So let us scrape our saltfish. Saltfish that we boil out some of the salt. You know, saltfish is very salt, so we get out some of the salt. Don't boil out all of the salt, you know, same like pigtail. You want a little of the salt in there. You better boil out the whole of the salt. Alright? But get rid of the scale. And make sure you pick up the saltfish good. Bone. Mind bone. Alright? We don't want to bone in our stew peas. And if you've made this one before, let me know. Alright, pick up the codfish. Some people say codfish, it's hot enough. Just come out of the boiling water. I only have one coal stove, so I had to boil this on the stove and bring it out. I have another coal stove, but it needs grid. Make sure you take out the bones. Alright, we don't want nobody choking on bones. Some people just draw two of the bone out of the saltfish and that's it. Some people just break it up. You must pick out the bones, alright? They'll land you in the emergency room. Alright? So we're getting out our bones. And we don't need this. Right? We just need these parts. I'm gonna scrape off the scale. Yes, it has scale. Take off the scale. Jesus is mine. Thanks for tuning in. On every channel, there are 3 types of people on every channel. Viewers who have not yet subscribed. You have haters. Believe it or not, your haters watch you more than anybody else. They don't like you, but they watch everything that you do. So you have the haters on the channel. Every channel have haters. And the haters are the ones that motivate us and keep us going. They are the ones that give you the strength. Alright, people who don't like us, but they watch everything that we do. And you have a next set of people who are subscribers who are over here to give support and to build the channel. Whichever one of the category you fall in, thank you. Thank you very much for tuning in. Whether you're a subscriber who are here, you subscribe to the channel to give me support, or whether you're only viewing but you're not ready to subscribe yet, don't know why, or you are a hater. Doesn't matter. Big up yourself every time. Enough love. Alright? Love and respect every time. Because if you're over here viewing and you hate me, you still help the channel. Because you give it watch time. Alright? So thank you everybody for tuning in. Doesn't matter which one of the category you fall in. Alright. Finger cut, but food off in yam. Alright, and I'm glad it's the left hand, because I'm able to do a lot of things because it's the left hand. Alright, we still pick out bone out of saltfish. Alright. I'm afraid of bones, you know. I may eat fish, but I'm afraid of bone. And I'm very careful when I eat the fish. When I finish and see nothing to do, me celebrate. Okay, people. Yep. I need a pepper from my front garden. So me have backyard garden, me have front garden, me have side garden. Don't take out all that pepper, you know. That pepper. Don't take out all of the salt out of the saltfish. Just like pigtail, you need a little of the salt in the saltfish, alright? Don't bother soak out everything. Just take off the scale and pick up the flesh. Sunday dinner with a twist. Camera lady stop pick out my saltfish, teeth out my saltfish. People the camera woman I eat out the whole like saltfish. Yeah, she did her hide and take out the saltfish one side. The camera woman and have nothing about her. Lady, why you eating out the saltfish? Alright, I'm still not finished. So I have my codfish, people. Saltfish, sorry. Bones. There. I'm going to add them to the pot. No. Don't turn over Sunday dinner. Don't turn over. Want more water? So we'll add that. We're going to make some spinners to put in the stew peas. What is stew peas without spinners? Can't happen. Alright? Boy, these are going to all of the spinners. Take your time with the water, else the spinners are going to spoil. They can't spoil because I have more flour. Make sure when you're doing these things, you always have flour. Make sure you have flour one side. Right? Can take some more flour. Don't you ever make flour and don't leave any flour. You throw everything one time in a way you cook, alright? That's why I look if you tighten it up. Make sure you always have some flour handy one side. Put down in case things don't turn out how you want it in life. That everything turn out just the way you want it, whether life or cooking, same thing. A little tip of water just to get that uneven flour together. Alright, and we're up and running now. Okay, up. Up and running, up and running. Up and running. Up and running, up and running. Just like this. Rub it together. Snake like. bad people, but it's a blow to all of the fire. Alright? Spinners for days. Spinners for days. I just want to put some more coal on the fire, right? The breeze a blow. And it's a blow out, so we just want to put some more underneath it, alright? Just pop it off and make it. Roll it in your middle. Cannot have stew peas without spinners, alright? No matter what stew peas, you must have spinners. Right? Just get in a pepper. We're going to use a coconut powder. Ooh, this knife is sharp. We're done. Somebody sharpened my knife for me. Seems like they are sharp. Woo! So I'm blowing coconut powder. Ready? Alright, just going to rinse this out a bit. Throw some water on our seasoning to wash them. We are moving along. You can smell that coconut milk. Alright, now we have some scallion here. Have to be careful with this knife. Then the dull again. Alright, somebody sharpen them for me. They are not dull anymore, so I have to be careful. Let us go back to the pot. Let me get a knife. Put up my scallion. Ooh, knife just run through the scallion. So I don't want it to run through my finger. So make sure you hold it far from me. Somebody sharpen them. Right? Hold it very carefully. Run through it like this. That's all it goes. See, I get a one pepper from the tree. Yeah man, plant something man, plant it. Also people, season it up. See how lovely that looks. See a piece of saltfish. See a pieces of saltfish. Still see the saltfish? See them there? See the pieces of saltfish? They are still there. Alright, look at that. Rich. Alright, we can put some powder in there. We have jerk. We have some Maggi jerk. Mix up seasoning. Yeah, all types of things mixed up in there. Alright? So we're gonna put some jerk in there. Squeeze it up, make it nice. And make that simmer down. We're gonna put on some rice. Alright? Alright, season it up. Get that all in. Don't put any salt until it come down because you know saltfish in there. You don't want it to be salt. Yeah man. Watch that and simmer down now. This good already. You want no salt? No salt. This is finished. Still see my saltfish. See that? Lovely. Lovely. See that? Now, I'm going to wash some rice. So we have some rice here. We have butter. No salt. Saltfish already have salt in there. Probably a little bit. Because we don't want the food to salt. We'll probably put a little bit of salt in there. Alright, so we're going to wash it. Yes, people, cook for me yard back today. And this is long grain rice. If you notice, there is nothing much in it to pick out. Matter of fact, there is nothing in it to pick out. Not much. There is nothing in there to pick out. Some long grain rice, alright? You don't need a lot of washing either. Now I'm going to get some water on it. Wash my hands. Alright. One more butter. That's okay. So I put a little salt in there. Not too much. So let us rinse out my spoon and come back. Alright? So that my spoon is clean. my neighbor play some nice tune. If it is in the background, I don't know if the people hearing it. I do not own the rights to that music. I don't own the rights to that music playing in the background, alright? Not sure if you hear it. Just a little bit of salt. And you don't want too much fire under your rice to burn the rice off. Taking out the fire underneath the pot. Alright, because we don't want it burning, alright? If you don't have any butter, you can put a little cooking oil in the rice. As I've said before. Alright? Make sure when you're doing this, make sure you taste. You want to put too much salt, make sure you taste it. Alright? Close this down. And we soon have dinner. Alright, close it down. And it's soon dinner time. Look at this one. Look at this one. Yeah. Close it, Bunny.
Can't go.
Can't zoom over. Alright, clap. Yep. Dinner time, people. Dinner time. Take off this. Put back this. And we're ready to share. Alright. That's good. Now, let me get some rice. This long grain rice is so fluffy. Look at that. So lovely. Look at that. My. Portion, people. Portion control. Portion. Portion control, people. All right, so I'm going to
Here we go.
if you want the pepper, take the pepper.
Come here.
No, I want my thumbnail with me in there. So you go behind there and take my thumbnail with the plates in front of me. Take already. Talk about the video now. Start already?
The video I will take the thumbnail from.
Excuse me? No. People, the one near the bomb. I want scotch bonnet. Burst it in there if you want pepper. Burst it in there. I'm gonna burst it. But not everybody loves too much pepper, so. Alright, so we burst it, eh? Come up, one lady. Scotch bonnet smells strong, man. Not everybody loves pepper, so I put it in my plate. I think you have for your one too. People this bad. You can't talk it. Please subscribe to the channel, give the videos a thumbs up, share this channel with somebody, share it with a friend, a family member. Subscribe. When you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that when I come on you will know. Thank you for staying with me. See you soon.